Hi friends, today I am going to discuss question answer of the chapter Human Settlement. It is the chapter of geography book of class 12. First question, what is rural settlement? Answer, rural settlement are sparsely located small settlement which differ in features and in forms. Next question, what are the features of rural settlement? Answer, features of rural settlement are as follows. First is production of this settlement is used as raw material for urban settlement. Next is most of the rural people are engaged in primary activities such as mining, fishing, agriculture, etc. Next is people living in these areas have good social relationship. Next question, what are the forms of rural settlement? Answer, there are 4 forms of rural settlement. First is semi-clustered settlement. It is also known as fragmented settlement. It is formed by fragmentation of large compact village. In it, one or more section of society choose or is forced to live away from main cluster. Dominating society lives in central part of village. Less dominating society lives in outer part of village. Next is hamleted settlement. It is formed by segmentation of large village. These segments are fragmented into small units. These units are locally known as Panna, Para, Pali, etc. These settlements together form a unit. These units together form a village. Next is clustered settlement. It is also known as agglomerated or nucleated settlement. It is closely built up area of houses. There is no gap in between two houses. Living area is distinct and is separated from farms barns, and pastures. These settlements are generally found in alluvial plains. These settlements sometimes present clear pattern or geometrical shapes such as square, rectangle, etc. Next is disperse settlement. It is also known as isolated settlement. These settlements in India appear in the form of isolated huts or hamlets. These are found in remote jungle or on small hills with farms and pastures. These settlements are formed due to fragmented terrain and land resource. Next question. How do we classify towns on the basis of population size? Answer. Classification of town on the basis of population is as follows. First is the cities which have population more than 1 lakh are called class 1 cities. Next is the cities which have population more than 1 million but less than 5 million are called metropolitan cities. Next is the cities which have population more than 5 million are called mega cities. Apart from these cities, there are urban agglomeration in India. Urban agglomeration is formed by any one of the following three combination. First is a town and its adjoining urban outgrowth. Next is two or more adjoining town with or without their outgrowth. Next is a city or one or more adjoining town with their outgrowth. Next question. How do we classify towns on the basis of their function? Answer. Classification of town on the basis of their function are as follows. First is administrative town. In these cities there are headquarters of many government offices. Next is industrial town. In these cities there are so many industries. Next is transport town. Main occupation of these cities is transportation. Next is mining town. In these cities, minerals are found in large amount, and main occupation of these cities is mining. Next is educational town. In these cities, there are many educational institutions. Next is tourist town. The towns which are famous for tourist activity. Next is religious and cultural town. The towns which are famous for pilgrimage and for religious worship. Next is commercial town. The main function of these towns are trade and commerce. Next is garrison cantonment town. These towns are meant for army and defense purpose. Next question. What are urban settlement? Answer. Urban settlement are dense, compact, and larger in size. People of urban settlement are engaged in non-agricultural activities. People of urban settlement do not have good social relationship.